We'll guide you through how to connect Printify to Amazon. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Printify website. Log into your Printify account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Manage My Stores section, which you can find in the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Add New Store, and you should see a list of platforms you can connect to. Select Amazon from this list. If it's your first time, you'll need to grant Printify permission to access your Amazon Seller Central account. So have your Amazon credentials ready. Next, you'll be redirected to the Amazon Seller Central login page. Enter your Amazon Seller credentials and log in. Once logged in, you'll see a page asking for authorization. Make sure you check all the necessary permissions so Printify can manage your products on Amazon. After granting permissions, you'll be redirected back to Printify, and you should see a confirmation message that your Amazon store is now linked. Now, to start listing products, go back to your Printify dashboard, choose a product you want to sell on Amazon, and click Publish. You'll need to fill in the necessary product details, including title, description, and pricing. Ensure that your product complies with Amazon's policies to avoid any listing issues. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on Publish to Amazon. It might take a few minutes for the product to appear on your Amazon storefront. Keep an eye on your Amazon Seller Central account to ensure everything looks good. If there are any errors, Printify will notify you so you can go back and make the necessary adjustments, and that's it. You're all set to start selling on Amazon using Printify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.